Hey guys, this is Ivan with Country Fishing YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the rod rack that I use on my boat that I built, and it's all angle iron. Had a piece here, it goes up against on the round rail. This is a Lake John. Used angle here coming down. Of course, welded it. I've got 3 rod holders on each side of the boat. And of course, angle on this side, same thing all the way up and over. What I usually do is put a C-clamp in there, but I'm changing it. I'm going to drill holes in here and put pins in the front and the back on both sides. That way, if I'm not using the rod rack, I can just take it out of the boat. Just lift it up and take it right out of the boat. But figured I'd share that. Of course, I've tore this boat apart. I'm redoing it right now. But rod rack still sits on it. So, and this is an 18 by 70 Lake John. Hope somebody can get some ideas out of this. Kind of maybe help somebody out a little. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Like the video. Y'all take care. Tight lines.